Hi, I am Atul. In this video, I give an overview of OneAPI, a single programming model for heterogeneous environment. Data-driven workloads are increasing exponentially. To deliver high compute performance for emerging specialized workload in our data-centric world, you will need a diverse compute architecture like CPU, GPU, and FPGA accelerators. As a developer, it's a challenge for taking advantage of multiple types of architecture. For an example, there are no common programming model that don't sacrifice performance. Separate tools are required for each architecture. Each platform requires unique software investment. This makes development complex, costly, inefficient, and time intensive. Developers need reduce programming complexity to minimize the barriers to adopt new innovative hardware technology. Imagine using a single software abstraction that allows developers to program directly across a variety of hardware architecture. OneAPI. OneAPI is a bold new initiative to deliver a revolution. It's simplified, open, and offers developers the ability to deliver performance on multiple architectures. And because OneAPI is based on standards and open specifications, it's opened up a new level of innovation across the industry. With OneAPI, you will be able to develop the program from a single code base with a high native language performance across architecture like scalar, vector, matrix, and special architectures. And you can unleash the full power of the hardware, plus meet your cost, performance, and power requirements. This allows you to scale application by building them based on a common programming foundation. As per the Intel, OneAPI product specification will replace language, libraries, stack in the application development. OneAPI Industry Initiative is your alternative to multiple single vendor solutions across CPU, GPU, FPGA, and other accelerator at its core. OneAPI contains data parallel C++ with the name of TPC++ based on the C++ and SYCL from the Condos group. Powerful API designed for the key domain specific functions. OneAPI includes a low-level hardware interface which provides a hardware abstraction layer to vendors. Additionally, you will discover other domain-specific toolkits that add on to the OneAPI-based toolkit. These toolkits includes for HPC, AI, machine learning, rendering, and system. Data Parallel C++. Data Parallel C++ is a high-level language designed to target heterogeneous architecture and take advantage of data parallelism. It enables you to reuse code across CPU and accelerator while permitting custom tuning. DPC++ is based on the familiar standard C++ language construct such as templates and lambda function. In addition, it incorporates SYCL spec from the Condos group. For faster developer adoption, Data Parallel C++ is made as an open source project. Powerful API libraries. Powerful API libraries are an essential part of OneAPI. With API-based programming, powerful OneAPI libraries are custom-coded for each target architecture to accelerate compute-intensive workloads. For example, OneAPI DPC++ library, which is a standard template library that supports the language with common language capabilities like algorithm and functions to speed up DPC++ kernel programs. Math kernel library, which will contain the math routines including matrix, algebra, FFT, and vector math. Data analytic library, which will have the analytic library along with that machine learning constructs. Deep neural network. Deep neural network library help you for the deep trained learning interface. Deep neural network library. Deep neural networks functions for deep learning and the training and inferencing part. Collective communication library. Collective communication library will help you in communication pattern for distributed deep learning in a multi-node implementation environment. Threaded building blocks. Threaded and memory management template library. And last not the least, video processing library. With the capability of real-time video processing library that does encode, transcode and decode across heterogeneous hardware. Now we'll look for some of the question and answer. The first question is why should I use DPC++ and what does it get me? Data Parallel C++ is a high-level language designed to target heterogeneous architecture and take advantage of data parallelism. It's enable you to reuse the code across CPU and accelerator while permitting custom tuning. That's the main plus point. DPC++ is based on similar standard C++ language and construct. So there is no need of learning the new language. Second question. What should I do next to learn more about DPC++ and OneAPI? Watch the overview of DPC++ programming videos, access Intel open source project for LLVM and download the DPC++ compiler from the OneAPI toolkit. Or you can use the Intel Dev Cloud, which allow you to develop and test your projects with the Intel OneAPI based toolkit. The toolkit offers you full native code support across a range of the Intel hardware and unifies programming tools and libraries across multiple hardware offering like CPU, GPU and FPGA. Thank you for your time.